Assalamualaikum, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the DAR Education Project video tutorial series for the Java programming. And today we will learn how to use and create the class. Basically, class is used as a, you can say that is a blueprint of anything. In the class is necessary thing to create the object. Every object will be created from the class, but class is used to take two values. One is the method and the other is known as the attributes. So first of all we will create and learn how to use the and create a class here. So for this thing I am creating a new and click on the class, and I am creating an imply class. For this thing I am just creating an imply class, and I will not use this public static void main method and just finish it. This is a simple declaration for the class. Remember that the class will not have the class will never contain these small parentheses. If you will use this small parentheses you will get an error here. So this is the error in this syntax error on token class expected. So you should be very vigilant and careful about using these small brackets with the class method. So the class will not be created with the reserved word class, so you should always need to add the class keyword here. So the class have two important points. Either it have attributes, or you can say variables, whatever. For example, if I am using the integer amp number here and string amp name, string amp address, and string amp phone, then this will be the four attributes of our imply class. It is not necessary that every class has the variables or methods. A class can have both of them, either properties or you can say the methods, or either only properties or either only methods here. So I am creating a new class, and in this class I will use the public static void main. Be careful about that you can use only one static void main method in the program. Imply program, and in this I will create the instance of the imply class. For this we will use imply class amp1 is equal to new imply class here, and amp1 dot this separator. Then you will see that these four variables are showing here, and if I want to use imply name amp number 23, amp1 dot amp name is equal to Saflada, and amp1 dot amp address house number for Shadman Lahore, and similarly amp1 dot amp phone is equal to 4993969. and if you want to display the row.println imply number plus amp1 dot amp number imply employee address and dot and address system dot out of println and imply phone and phone, and now I will run this program. So if you create another object or instance, another instance of the employee class, okay, so once again we will need to implement here employee class, and I will give it the name of employee2 is equal to new employee class, and once again we will perform the same method. So this is the advantage of a class, that we can you can say that we will create the attributes, and when we need the instance of that class, all the properties or attributes will be assigned to that instance of the class. So we don't need to worry about to create the variables again and again, and m2 dot imply. So this is the method by which there is no need to remember the sequence of the attributes. You can assign the values according to your needs. Number 2. And once again you need to, I just want to copy it and just change the values from m1 to m2. Now we will run this program, and you can see that both values are shown here. So in this method, in this way we will create a class, and a class with having 4 attributes or properties like integer, employee name, and when we create the instance of this class, all the attributes will be assigned to this instance of the class. So in this way we will learn. Thank you very much. Allah and Halal.